Good morning, children. This is Monica ma'am, your English teacher. I hope all of you are in pinks of your health and doing your work regularly at home. Yesterday we began with Unit 2, poem Teamwork. Today we will be doing the explanation of this poem. Let us understand the poem. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. So in this stanza, the poet is trying to tell us that when we work in a team, we always get success. We can make our dreams work. That means whatever we think of accomplishing, whatever is the aim, we can easily accomplish it with our team. Dear children, the meaning of teamwork is to work in collaboration for achieving a common goal. In collaboration means working with each other or working together jointly to achieve a target. The poet is also trying to tell us or wants us to understand that whenever we work as a team, there is no obstacle that can stop us from fulfilling our dreams. So whenever we work as a team, it is always likely to achieve success in life. And once you achieve success, it's always a great feeling to enjoy the fruit of happiness with your teammates. That happiness knows no bounds because there is a victory that you can share with your teammates and also create a great bonding among yourself. Let us read the second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. In the second stanza, the poet is talking about a team effort while playing the games. Like in the game of basketball, likewise, in the game of basketball, you know that the entire team should play together. There should be a team spirit, a collaboration, or joint efforts among the players for winning the game. In this game, you are supposed to put the ball into this hoop, which is also termed as ring. And when you put the ball into it, it is considered that you have got a basket. That means you have achieved the score. But if there is no team spirit, there is no equal effort from all the team members, it is impossible to achieve the success. Now talking about one more game, that is the relay race, an athlete activity, also is a teamwork. It needs a teamwork. Relay race is a racing competition where members of a team take turns to complete the parts of a race course or performing a certain activity. Now technically saying, this is a race which is a track and field event in which athletes run a preset distance carrying a baton in their hands before passing it on to the next runner. They keep on passing it to their teammates, and the final runner of the team has to reach the finish line first to win the relay race. Here also it depends upon the coordination and effort of the entire team to win the race. It is not just the effort of the last runner, but it begins from the first runner up till the last runner who has to put put in all the energy, all the effort, and win the race. Here also a joint effort, a teamwork is required to get success. And you can easily make out if any one player is not willing, any one athlete is not willing to pass on the baton, will it be possible to win the race? No, not at all. So always to win, a teamwork is required. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we've got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Here in this stanza, the poet is telling us that together we can always achieve a good victory. We may achieve success, we may get some success alone, but when we are together, we will always work wonders. In the third stanza, the poet is telling us that all of us in a team always have a common goal. And when we have a common goal, we always have the same thought to achieve success. Together, it is always easy to overcome all the difficulties and reach the target and obtain success. Through this third stanza, the poet is also telling us that when we work together, the potential increases, the energy increases. There is an overflow of ideas from everyone because everyone has an opportunity to share their opinions, to share their ideas, their skills, to achieve a common target, that is success. And when we all work as a whole, our eyes are always on the common goal, and being together is always to be in plus, never in minus. You are never alone when you have your teammates with you. You are more confident, you understand your self-worth, you understand the importance of being together. In a team, you get a chance to improvise yourself, to learn many new things. You learn to communicate with people. You build social relationships, as well as there is always a hype in your self-confidence because you feel respected. Your opinion is respected, and that gives you the sense of self-worth. And therefore, being in a team, working as a team is always very fruitful and a very good thing to do. And when we join hands together and step by step we keep moving further towards the goal, we are likely to achieve whatever we want in our life just because of a positive teamwork and a good team. So from this beautiful poem, we infer certain traits, certain qualities. We learn something that we should always be together and join our hands, be united. The poet here wants us to understand that teamwork is the key of getting success, of getting things done cooperatively, sharing ideas and listening to, working together to see it through. In a team, we always say that you work and I will work with you. When all work together, we will get the things done, and being together as a team, it's always a fun. So dear children, always stay together, respect your team members, work as a team, stay united, stay strong. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed this lovely, meaningful poem. Now let us move towards the rhyming words. As you know that rhyming words are the words with the same sound. So here the rhyming words in the poem are teamwork and dreamwork, done, everyone, hoop, shoot, on, baton, whole, goal, plus and us. So in this case, we have 6 rhyming pairs in the poem. The homework for today is a worksheet based on the poem. Do it carefully and neatly in your English notebook. So this is all for today. We'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, thank you, take care and stay in shape.